Welcome, today in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see the silent mode switcher, and now just to activate the silent mode you should click here once on the switcher. And now we can see that the ringtones and notifications, they will be moved. Now just to turn off the silent mode, click here only just once again on the switcher, and you can see that the ringtones and notifications, that will ring. Also we can activate the silent mode by the second way. Just first open the notification panel, and somewhere here, in my case it's here, you will see this media icon here. Just to activate silent mode, click twice here on this icon. Now we can see that our device is on mute mode. That's the same as the silent mode. And just to turn it off, click once again here to see the media 100%. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.